In this video, you'll learn how to manage users in your Notion workspace. By following these steps, you will effectively add, invite, and manage members and their roles within your workspace. Begin by navigating to the Notion website, open your preferred web browser, and enter notion.so in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Notion homepage, which features various options for signing in or creating an account. Next, locate and click on the settings option. This is typically found in the sidebar on the left side of the screen. After clicking settings, a new menu will appear, allowing you to customize your workspace preferences. After that, click on the workspace tab within the settings menu. This section will display various options related to your workspace, including user management and settings related to team collaboration. Once this appears, look for the people option in the workspace settings. Clicking on people will take you to the user management screen where you can view all current members of your workspace. Following this, click on the add members button. This option is usually prominently displayed, allowing you to initiate the process of inviting new users to your workspace. You will be prompted to type or paste email addresses in the designated field. Enter the email addresses of the individuals you wish to invite, ensuring they are separated by commas for proper recognition. Next, click on Select Role to choose the appropriate permissions for the new members. This option allows you to assign roles such as admin, member, or guest, which dictate the level of access these users will have. Once you've selected the roles, click on the Send Invite button. This action will trigger the system to send the invitations to the specified email addresses, allowing those individuals to join your workspace. After sending the invites, you might want to check the status of the invitations. Click on the number indicating sent invites to review who has been invited and their current status. Next, navigate to the groups section to manage user groups effectively. This area allows you to organize your members into specific groups for easy access and permission management. Once in the group section, click on the highlight option to choose specific groups or settings you want to adjust. This helps streamline user management within larger teams. Following this, click on Rename to modify the name of the group if necessary. Clear naming conventions can help with organization and recognition among team members. After renaming, click on the three dots icon to access more options related to the group. This menu provides additional functionalities, including deleting or editing group settings. Next, select Create Team Space from Group to establish a dedicated space for the group. This feature organizes pages, permissions, and members in a manner tailored to that specific group. You can also create a new team space by clicking on Create a New Team Space. This initiates the setup process for a fresh workspace that can be customized to your team's needs. Once you are in the process of creating a team space, click on the description option to provide details about the purpose of this space. Clear descriptions can enhance user understanding and engagement. After entering the description, finalize the setup by clicking on Create Team Space. This action will establish the new space, making it accessible to the members you've invited. Next, you will be prompted to invite people to this new team space. Click on this option to extend invitations to additional users who should have access to the team space. Finally, click on Invite to send out invitations for the new team space. This step ensures that all relevant team members receive access and can start collaborating in the designated area. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.